Hey guys, my friend over here is gonna pop a firework for me. Alright. Whoa, that was cool. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Joey. Let's go, Joey. Woo! Okay.
The camera loves me.
Joey, shut up, bro. Say hi.
Hello, YouTubers. Subscribe me.
Yes, buddy. Look at that. Yeah.
Further. Come on. Hey, you're okay. It's smoke. Come on.
Pop it open.
Try to.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. There's another firework over here. Guys, I got my own fire, and I'm about. Okay, I'm about to light my. It's this cute little chicken thing. Let's light it. Oh yes, yes, guys, look, ready. Hi guys.
Hey, this is Nana, and happy 4th of July. Peace. Like and subscribe, please.
All right, guys. Woo! We're doing a smoke bomb. 2, 1.
I don't know what's happening.
All right, guys, we're going. We're gonna go put it down. All right, Aaliyah, I'm not gonna burn you. Wait. Whoa, there we go. All right, guys, look. Get it close up. Yeah, woo! Close up. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Aaliyah, you like this? Heck yeah, dude. Aaliyah, you like this? Go, Aaliyah, go. Guys, I'm doing the naughty dog. Oh my god, I'm scared. Is it gonna poop or something? Let's see. Wait, where do I light?
That sucker coming your way. No.
Alright, guys, I'm doing the naughty dog. Wait, hang on, let me prop it up. This will be the end of the video to be the end of the video, okay, guys? Let's see. Alright, ready, guys? Ready? Let's watch it. Oh, heck yeah, dude. What's happening? We talk about what? Huh? What happening?